Today, I worked on a vehicle where the customer reported the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool to diagnose the issue, I found 3 error codes: P0201, which stands for Injector Circuit Open Cylinder 1, P0300, which indicates Random Multiple Cylinder Misfire Detected, and P0301, which means Cylinder 1 Misfire Detected. These codes pointed me towards a potential issue with the fuel injector on Cylinder 1. To start the diagnosis, I performed a visual inspection of the fuel injector wiring harness and connectors. I was looking for any obvious issues like damaged wires, loose connections, or corrosion, but everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, with the ignition turned off, I disconnected the fuel injector connectors and used a multimeter to measure the resistance of each fuel injector. This step is important because each injector has a specific resistance range it needs to fall within to function properly. As I measured the resistance of the injectors, I discovered that one of them, on Cylinder 1, had no continuity. This confirmed that the injector was faulty and needed to be replaced. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty fuel injector with a new one. After the replacement, I cleared the fault codes using the scan tool and took the vehicle for a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. This repair highlights how important it is to use tools like a multimeter for precise diagnostics. By systematically testing the wiring and components, I was able to pinpoint the exact problem and avoid unnecessary part replacements. If you're dealing with similar codes, following these steps can help you efficiently identify and fix the issue.